2.3, engage, don't broadcast. So a lot of businesses in particular on Twitter make the big mistake of throwing advertising in a demanding way into their fans' faces. What you want to do is you want to be engaging and speak to your friends, not your fans. Ask yourself the question, how would you like to be treated by an account that you follow? Or if you follow your own account, what would you expect? And how would you expect to be treated by yourself? Your actions should embody this in your tweets, your direct messages, your bios, and even your graphics. Your account in general should be warm, welcoming, and friendly. Let me show you a couple of quick examples. Okay, example number 1. This is from Hack Circus. They write, remember, if you're coming to Hack Circus today, you need to buy a ticket online. They give the link. They say doors 5:30, starts 6 p.m. sharp. What do I not like about this tweet? There are a couple of things. First off, they start with the word remember. Remember is a demand. It is very demanding and it is a broadcast, not an engagement for the individual user. They also continue to make another demand over here, which is you need to buy. As you can see, that is bolded for you. You need to buy is another demand, and it tells the user what they have to do in an impolite way. They give the link, which is useful, and then they list in just a dot point font. There is nothing friendly or polite about this. It is just factual information thrown at the user. Let's contrast that to HubSpot down bottom. HubSpot write, attending inbound 14, check out our upgrade options including VIP and inbound training courses. What do I like about this tweet? They write, attending inbound 14, ? Are you coming? It is not a demand. It is a simple question and a request. They then proceed to say, check out our upgrade options. It's not, you need to have a look at our upgrade options. It's, you have the choice to check out. It is engaging and it is an option. It's not a compulsory task that they're giving their users, their followers, should I say. And as you can see, the purpose of both of these tweets are the same thing. They both want to sell tickets to their event, but they both do it in separate ways. One is a broadcast, one is an engagement. There is a subtle difference, but I hope you pick that up. Let me give you one more example. Example number 2, community servings. They write, hey followers, help us reach our goal of 4,000 Twitter fans. Thank you for your support of Community Serve. What I don't like about this tweet, although they thank the users, they write, hey followers. They literally call their followers, which is a little impolite and very just impersonal. They then, it's a subtle demand. They say, help us reach our goal. It's very self-involved and not very much value is offered. Although again, they do thank the community for their support. If we compare this to the much preferred engaging tweet update from Lullatone, they say, hey you guys, much more friendly, much more welcoming and warm and inviting. They say, we are launching something brand new and super interactive later this week. We can't wait to show you. They also include a picture which is not in this slide. But as you can see, they are offering a lot more value. They're saying, we've put in a lot of work and we can't wait to show you something that will be brand new and super interactive and beneficial for you. Very simple and very small differences between these tweets, but it's very crucial that you understand the small differences because they make a huge difference in the amount of engagement you get from your followers.